G'day everybody, it's Matt from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on. Today we're going to have a look at this absolute beast of a mower, the Allett C24. Get your lawn on. So this is the Allett C24. It's a 24-inch reel mower. We'll go front to back with its features. This is a commercial mower. Think cricket grounds, think golf courses. It's about 120 kilos worth of mower. It also has a little brother called the C20, which is 20 inches instead of 24. We've got a front roller, which is grooved. It's grooved so that the blades of grass are still standing up for when the blade comes to cut. It's also got a little scraper here. Any grass that sticks to this will be scraped off before affecting the height of cut. Cartridges are interchangeable and it's quite simple. There's a little hand wheel that you can undo, and then it's a simple case of to the side and then straight out. This has got the 10 blade cylinder cartridge in it. If you're asking why there's such a big gap between where the front of the blades are and the roller, that is simply because they've got this other cartridge which has a powered groomer in front of it, which would take this space. And I think there's about 5 or 6 cartridges in all. This is powered by a Honda GX 160 engine, which is fantastic because you'll be able to get parts anywhere in the world for it. These bars have got a suspension to them. What that means is no matter what my walking style is or what the go is, I'll be independent of the surface, so it will always maintain a straight and flat cut. Also, you will get less vibration from the engine and everything like that. When you're not using the machine, you've got a handbrake here, so do that so it won't go anywhere. Your throttle's here. That'll be your throttle up, that'll be your throttle down. And you've got a 2-bar engagement system here. So the back one drives the rear rollers and the front one will turn the cutting reel. You've also got an on and off here which will totally turn everything off if you need to in a hurry. So you've got an aluminium twin roller here. It's also got a scraper on it because we don't want grass sticking to it or any worm castings or anything sticking to it affecting our height of cut. So there you go. All right, now let's have a look at this. This is the catcher, tough plastic. Now you'll notice on the front of the mower here that there's two places where this catcher can go. For instance, with this, I would be putting it on the front catcher. But if you're using the groomer, you'd come out to the next one. But we've got this one, and that would go there. Changing the height of cut is very, very precise. So you'll notice on both sides that they've got these little wheels, and these wheels are increment. You'll see that that means shorter and that goes to longer. So if you want it longer, you go like so, and you'll feel the indent. And you've got one on each side. Nice. You'll notice here on the cartridge as well, got a little diagram here. If you want your blades further away, you go clockwise, anti-clockwise if you need to adjust the blade to the cartridge, and they're talking about these nuts here. Now this one is adjusted to cut paper. Let's give this mower a go, see how we go. Right, on there. on there. Really fine clippings, just like dust. Oh, I'll give it a second run now. Now I've found my height of cut. I'll do it without the cover, without the catcher. So I know with the camera it's just really hard to see the quality of cut, but the 10 blade has just made a magnificent cut here. And like I said, it's really hard to show. There it goes, that's it. Excellent. Well, what did I think? I think it was just an amazing experience. Look, these are north of $10,000, so it's really looking to the professional cricket and golf market, because this is actually quite manoeuvrable, even though it's quite heavy. The cut is superb. Changing of the cartridges is easy. I really should go through that and just do it at least once in front of you guys. I'll take the cover off. Undo the hand wheel. I've just started taking the cartridge off. So to get the cartridge out, you slide it off, and then you just pull this cartridge out and then pull it out. This is quite heavy. Woo-hoo. There we go. I know it's probably hard to see, but you've got some marks and you line them up. There you go. And then it is just a matter really tightening that up. This is an absolute weapon, and cricket wickets, professional installations, golf courses, they'll have a whale of a time with this machine. Wow, it's a workout. Get your lawn on. Thanks, Allett, for letting us have a try.